What if I told you that one of the India's most iconic cricketers didn't grow up as a fluent English speaker? That the confident, fearless Virat Kohli we see in interviews today once faced the same language fears you do. But instead of avoiding English, he embraced it. Today, we are not just going to praise his style, we will break it down so that you can learn to speak English with the same fluency, power, and charisma step by step. Hey folks, welcome back to Fluency Journey, where we learn English the smart, confident, and practical way. In this video, we will study how Virat Kohli, one of the most admired Indian athlete, built a confident English personality and how you can follow his path even if you're starting from scratch. And by the way, if you want one-on-one spoken English practice, I personally offer live sessions focused on real conversation, daily practice, fluency building feedback. Just check the link in the description. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Start with your why. Virat Kohli once said when he entered international cricket, he realized that communication was a key part of leadership. He didn't just want to play well, he wanted to express well. So your lesson is, before you begin learning English, ask yourself, why do I want to speak fluently? What will English help me do? When your why is strong, your motivation becomes unstoppable like Virat. Step 2. Speak with energy, not just words. One thing you will notice immediately about Virat is, he's never dull. Whether it's a match interview or an ad shoot, he speaks with energy. And why it works? Fluent English speakers use energy to show confidence, even if they don't know every word. Their body language and tone fill the gaps. How to practice this? Stand and speak. Don't sit when practicing. It boosts your energy. And add small hand movements to emphasize your points. Use words like I believe, to be honest, what I feel is. These are energy phrases that make you sound natural and assertive. A practice task. Pick a 30-second topic like my favorite sport. Record yourself speaking with full energy. Then record the same thing in dull tone. Then compare both. You will instantly feel the difference. Step 3. Use simple but strong vocabulary like Virat. Virat doesn't use fancy Shakespeare English. He uses words that are clear, sentences that are punchy, and tone that is strong. So your tip is, start building a personal power phrases notebook. Add real expressions from interviews, podcasts, or games. Use them in your speaking practice. Here are some example power phrases. Stay in the moment, put in the hard yard, or block the noise, I take full responsibility. These are power phrases. This is how find power phrases and make the notes of them. Step 4. Practice under pressure. Virat Kohli doesn't just perform when the crowd is silent. He thrives when there is a pressure. When the stadium is full and the world is watching him. The same applies to speaking English. Most learners can speak well when they are alone. But when they are in front of others, their brain freezes. Voice shakes and English disappears. That's why you need to practice under pressure, just like Virat does. And why it works? Pressure activates the part of your brain that controls performance. Regular low pressure practice helps, but high pressure practice transforms you into a confident speaker. You become fluent not just in your room, but in real situation. Here is a practical way you can use to build confidence under pressure. 1-minute timer challenge. Just like a T20 match, you've got 60 seconds to deliver. Your instructions are, pick a topic, like my favorite cricketer, my weekend, my opinion on social media. Then set a 1-minute timer. Speak continuously without stopping. Your goal should be improve flow, word retrieval, and confidence under pressure. Step 5. Use body language to reinforce your words. Watch Kohli during interviews. He maintains eye contact, open posture, controlled hand movements. This makes him appear more confident even when his grammar is not perfect. Here is a practice tip. Record yourself speaking. Watch, are you stiff or nervous or avoiding eye contact? Now try again, this time with better posture and energy. This will help you for sure. Step 6. Stay honest and authentic. Kohli's English is fearless because he doesn't fake it. He speaks with passion even when he's emotional. He admits his mistakes. He doesn't try to sound like someone else. So your lesson should be, don't try to fake an accent. Don't memorize scripted answer. Focus on clarity and real connection. Your English becomes powerful when it reflects your real self, not when it imitates someone else. Now, let's quickly recap. First, know your why. Second, speak with energy, not just words. Third, use simple, strong vocabulary. Fourth, train under pressure. Fifth, use confident body language. Sixth, be real, not fake. These habits build fluency not overnight, but step by step. Kohli didn't start fluent, he became fluent by showing up, speaking up, and learning forward. Comment below, I'm building my fluency like Kohli. Like this video if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos in future. See you in the next video.